What's up, real estate enthusiasts? It's Rex. I'm here with the One Realty group. We just did Doggy Dash. How was Doggy Dash? One of our clients has sent us a closing gift, 6-day closing.
Closing in 6 days.
She was super thrilled, and she got an additional $50,000 above market value. So she sent us some kind of closing gift. You gotta guess what's in the box. Is it food? Yeah, go ahead and shake the box. It's food. Okay, is it soup? Is it beans? I know she was in Hawaii. She took part of the money that she got, part of the extra $50,000, and she got us. Let's see what it is. So this is from Beatrice Sobdi. What'd we get?
Macadamia nuts. Beatrice, we love macadamia nuts. That's amazing. Macadamia nuts and more.
Are we sharing these? Oh yeah, these are
Cinnamon glaze.
cinnamon glaze.
We got these chocolates.
Chocolate.
Wait, this is caramel glaze. Ooh.
Coffee.
Toffee.
Coffee.
What kind of these? Caramel glaze. Oh, coffee glaze.
Wow, she gave us
Honey roasted. Oh, Maui onion and garlic. Oh my.
Wasabi.
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 Oh, you like it. You hate it. You like it. And you Brooke likes spicy stuff. Brooke, you try it. You like it?
Cleared up my sinuses.
Are you having wasabi?
I'm trying.
Okay.
I love wasabi.
That's good.
It's good. You like spicy stuff, right? Okay. I don't like spicy. Spicy scares me, but I'm gonna try it. It's hot. Yeah, that's not mine. Honey roasted. I like that one. In conclusion, we got our client an extra $50,000, and we got chocolate macadamia nuts and honey roasted macadamia nuts. I think that's a fair trade-off, actually. I like that. Getting people $50,000 extra, that's just our job. But anytime our clients send us macadamia nuts, that's a good day. So what do we say to all of our clients? We'll see you on the next one.